Mga saglit na inilikha, kakaibang tama nang sinag sa iyong kutis na kayo manggiusan ba ako dinadala? Bawat ngiti
Ang caramel macchiato for Alex.
Hey, it's mine. No way! That's mine! I ordered first.
It says my name, so unfortunately, this would be mine.
Oh, it's also saying my name. How could it be yours?
Ang caramel macchiato for Alex, ma'am.
It's mine.
Hi guys! Look who's here! Hi Anna.
By the way, I would like to meet my friend, Alex.
Hey, nice to meet you, Alex. What a coincidence. I have a friend also with me. Alex, Hannah, and my friend Alex.
It's you again!
Fate has a funny way of bringing people together.
Guys, let's go ready! Bye, Aaron. Bye, Alexi!
So, this is the girl you were telling us about.
Yup, she's. Oh, it's you again.
Oh, looks like someone's got a guardian angel!
Alex, wait.
What?
Do you wanna go for a coffee?
What do you mean? We don't know each other.
No, but I just wanna talk about what happened last time in the coffee shop.
I'll think about it.
Okay? Bye. Take care.